Good day everyone and welcome to the best online tutorials channel. Building an app usually means coding, backend setup, and a lot of technical work, but Base44 changes that. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to use Base44 to build an app step by step, from creating a project to designing pages, adding logic, and publishing your app. No coding experience required here. And firstly, as an introduction, let us discuss what is this platform. So Base44 is a no-code app builder that lets you create full web applications using visual tools instead of code. You can build dashboards, tools, internal apps, and even SaaS-style products. And Base44 handles for you front-end layout, back-end logic, database, and hosting, all in one place. And now, in order to begin, just start by opening the Base44's official website in your browser, and in order to start, just press on Start Building right over here, which is this greenish button. And in here you can use either your email address or continue with Google, something I will do. So if you wish to sign up, like this, of course you just insert your email address here and then sign up. Alright, I just used my, as you can see, email from Google and I'm already logged in. Perfect. And once logged in, you'll be dropped into your dashboard and you'll see, and this is going to be where all your apps live. And in here, guys, how you can start. So first of all, of course, as you can see on our main dashboard, we have our prompt field. So just like on any AI, say, if you're generating text, images or videos from text or something like that, all of them have the same interface and the same logic. You just provide a text prompt, and in our case, it's an app generation app, so service. And instead of images or videos from our text, we will generate our app. So I myself already have created one app, as you can see, the FitForge and Daily Flow. If you wish to browse them, we'll talk about that later. But for now, as you can see, you either start from scratch, or you can also, as you can see, we can press on more ideas, and we have the ideas to get started here, where pretty much Base44 suggests us what we might start from. So what is your pretty much goal here? A CRM app, environmental, health and wellness, whatever you wish to create, you can start using these little templates or just start from scratch. And before typing anything, let me explain what's important to understand and how the prompts work here on Base44. So a good prompt for your app includes what the app does, who it's for, core features, pages and layout, and also data and logic. You don't need technical language, just clear structure. And now here's a clear prompt you can use to demonstrate. And now let me give you an example prompt so you know how this works. So for example, this is going to be my application. And when you're ready to create, just press on this send message button. And now you'll be taken to another interface, which I will explain in a bit, where all the magic happens. So now let us just wait. As you can see on the left, now our app is being created. Give this a little time. And as you can see, my prompt tells Base44 what the app is, what features it needs, what data to create, and how the UI should be structured, all in my prompt. And then what is happening after you input the prompt? Base44 generates a main dashboard page, input fields, buttons, a connected database, and basic app logic. This is all created automatically from the prompt. Okay, here you go. And now when the app is generated, you'll be inside the visual editor. So you'll see a page layout, input fields linked to task data, and buttons already connected to actions. Instead of building from scratch, you're refining what the AI created. So as you can see, this is just a little simple task application. And as you can see, we have a little interface, my tasks, start adding tasks to get organized, and we have a button to create, and also we have the input field where we'll input which tasks we want to create. say, for example, go for groceries, like that, and add task. And as you can see, we have two buttons now, which is the complete button, and also we have a delete button. Also, as you can see, we can untick or tick if we want to complete the task, or if you changed your mind, it's not crossed off anymore, and it's still not finished. And then if you wish to modify, you press on the visual edit, and as you can see now, we can edit any piece of button, input fields, text easily by just clicking on them, right? So for example, if I wish to change, say, the color of the button, I click on here, which is the form, and then I just type in to our AI generator, say something like change the style and color of the add task button. And what is that? And form field. Make the button, well, for example, let's make it yellow. There you go. And let us see what's going to happen. And then, if you feel like something is missing, think in prompt logic, not code. For example, if you want categories, add a category field. Want multiple pages, add a details page. Want user accounts, enable authentication. So as you can see, here you go. My button is successfully changed the color to yellow, which is pretty cool. And yeah, you can pretty much just go to the editor once again, visual edit, and change whatever you like. And then, guys, exit the visual editor, go 3 dots, and press act as a user. There you go. And we are now successfully testing our application as a user and not as an editor. And in here, you can just click on stuff, delete that, right? Add new tasks, you know, whatever you wish, depending on how complex your app is. And you can pretty much test it out. So give it a go. And then you exit this mode. And when you're ready, when everything looks good, you can press on publish and press on publish app. And Base44 hosts the app and gives you a live link you can share immediately. And this is pretty much it, guys. This is how you create an app using Base44. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe for more AI no-code tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.